Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw in our title, this is the beginning of brush week. What does that mean? Brushes that I have received over the last couple of months in our subscription boxes, we're going to put them to use today. Now, the ones that we're featuring today are shades by SHAN, and this is a 5-piece set. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and multi-use brushes. We'll really go into detail in the video as to which brushes we use, what they are, okay? And that information is also on the back of the package. Now, we did use a palette and an actual eyeshadow. This is a single, and although this video is not really about that, I'm going to post a picture or two up here of what the final look is without my glasses on, because as I'm talking to you, you really don't get to see the full eye look. And this is the palette that we used. This one actually came in an ice cream beauty box. And this one is Dee Signature, the Ultimate Cappuccino Eyeshadow Palette. These are the shades here. I'm not opening it right now because you'll see that I did that in the video. The other one, I don't have a choice but to, well, actually you can see it through the packaging. This one is by Scienlodic Beauty. Love, love, love this. This is an iridescent shadow. This thing is doing it, okay? But nonetheless, you'll see more about that in the video, okay? So, if you'd like to see how this look was created and check out these brushes, keep watching. next couple steps, we're just going to finish up the rest of the face and we'll be back. And this is our final look. So what do you think? Okay, just wondering, we went ahead and completed this look. I will list everything down below that we used to create it. I actually really do love how this turned out. Now, since this video is about the brushes, let's talk about the brushes. I do like the ease of use. Now, y'all know I was not coming back on here with dirty brushes, so I did wash the brushes already. Now, with me washing them, they were very, very easy to clean. Now, in addition to them being easy to clean, they did not give me a lot of fray at all. They're still nice and dense and soft. Would I recommend these brushes? Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, there's only one thing I think that's missing from this, and that is an angle brush. So that under the eye, to put that color on, it would have been a lot easier to kind of maneuver it that way. A liner brush, or I'm just saying a flat angle brush. Okay. So let me know your thoughts down below. I definitely did enjoy doing this look. It did not take me a long time, so I'm here for that. But I do try to make sure I have everything that I need available. But this one, just doing the eye look itself, took me less than 20 minutes. So that I'm definitely enjoying. Okay, so I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today at the beginning of Brush Week. And these are the brushes that we used on today. This is actually called the Shades by SHAN. And this is the premium 5-piece brush set. It says multi-use, vegan, and cruelty-free. Includes a crease, a blend, a detail blend, a lid, and precision blend brush. All 5 of them. And we used all 5. All right. Well, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a message down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have these brushes, how you like them. If not, did you like the way that this look turned out, the use of these brushes? I'm excited to go to the next one. I have so many brushes, and I have so many that came in subscription boxes. So it's time to check out these brushes. Now, of course, this is really not about it, but I love this eyeshadow. This right here, oh my God. This iridescent look, it eats big time, big time, big time. But anyway, so, and then subscribe, become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you know it's easy on the pockets because it's free. Now, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this type of video, so we know if we want to stick it out. Well, they're just about all recorded now, but if this is something that we want to revisit again. All right, now make sure you share this video. Share it with someone. Give them the opportunity to see the Shades by SHAN brushes in action. Okay, now most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.